This is Jake with Skye Avionics. So I'm on my way to conduct a APARS test. It's a little bit further trip than usual, so I thought I'd take some video along the way. As always, it starts for me with a trip down the Sea to Skye Highway. Alright, through airport security. Always fun when you're carrying a bunch of aircraft test equipment. After a couple days of work, I got the machine finished off here in Turkey. Got through the biennial pedostatic, a couple of snags, installed some USB ports. I'm ready to go explore the city and then come home.